Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to quickly switch row to column in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel, and here you can see I have a simple data, month and cells. So simply select the data, right click of the mouse, click on the copy. Then select the cell where you want to paste. So I select this cell. Then right click of the mouse. In paste option, click on the space spatials. Just click on this drop down arrow. And here the click on the space spatials options. And here the space spatial dialog box is open. Then click on the transpose. Here the option transpose. Then click OK. And that's it. You can see I just drag and set here. Okay. You can see here the switch to row to column in Excel. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.